Okay folks, I'm on a line here that it's got a leak, and I just wanted to show you what it sounds like. I don't know if you'll be able to hear this hiss, but listen close. So that tells me there's a pretty good leak on this line, so now I'm going to walk the line and check every connector. Stay tuned. So I traced the problem to the saddle. As you can see, it's been leaking. I just double tied it again. You can see where the twisties are on it. It was leaking pretty good. It was tied on there well. I think what happened is it filled up with ice because of a leak. It had a leak, and of course, when it's leaking, when it's leaking by, it actually gets colder, so it forms ice at those spots. You see that on 5/16 lines and on your main lines. So the ice formed right here, formed a blockage, and then all the sap started dripping out. You can see the hole, the drip hole. It's been dripping for probably a couple hours. So we just fixed that, and hopefully that took care of it. So I'll go back down to the end, try the valve again to make sure that I fixed it, and then continue on. Okay folks, I'm at a shut-off, and I just want to show you what it would look like on a good running day. So I'm going to shut this valve off, and just pay attention to the line right about here. You can see how fast it fills up. You can see that it's really starting to come in hard now. There's probably about 200 to 250 taps on this line. It's probably about 800 feet long, and it's filling up very quickly. So when I open this up again, you can hear the swish of water. That's all I should be hearing. So it looks like this line is pretty tight.